The Permaculture Design Certification course at Zaytuna College is a 14-day program combining classroom instruction and hands-on experiential learning in the form of field visits and other field work. The course provides a comprehensive overview of permaculture design and other regenerative and sustainability-oriented design systems and concepts.
Permaculture design is not just about how to establish a vegetable garden, how to manage your farm. Ultimately, it comes to, if you boil it down, how do you manage your household resources, and then how do you manage your community resources.
I thought I was coming to learn where to plant my trees on my garden, and instead of just a series of techniques and a series of how-tos, what I learned from this course is how to think about what to do and how to engage with the elements of nature to produce something beautiful.
Zaytuna has made this place very welcoming. We all came here as strangers. I think over the period of 2 weeks, we feel like we've become family, and we've learned so much.
Students come here and go to any field trip. It expands their understanding of the application of permaculture design, that when they go back, they can also utilize the learning from the class in so many different ways.
So what you're looking at here is yarrow, goldenrod, snapdragon, coyote mint.
So we were able to go to one of the permaculture sites of one of the former Zaytuna PDC students, and Todd showed us around, and he gave us a lot of perspective on how he's applied some of the principles of permaculture and Islam throughout what he's done.
When we went to that school, that was like a cement jungle, and him trying to make that livable and a lovable and place for everyone. I'd say it's his inspiration that really touched me.
Our beloved Ustaz, our beloved teacher, Rhamis Kent. He's been teaching this course for over 15 years now, and he's taught it all around the world. He's teaching us from a lens that is so broad that it really expands, your scope a lot more than just learning about, hydrology or ecology or agroecology. You're learning about the world and you're learning about yourself. And he's so inspiring in that sense because he has seen so many different things and he has learned so much.
Upon completion of the course, participants receive an internationally recognized certificate, preparing them to apply these solutions to a variety of different climates, landscapes, and communities.
We always have students who are non-Muslims, but they come to our course primarily because it is so grounded in spirituality. So that is a USP of our course. And now, going to field trips, seeing for themselves what they are learning in the class, in the textbook, in different books, and those things are actually applied, utilized by people. So it gives them a lot of hope. So ultimately, I would say, if you want to be more hopeful for your future, then come to Permaculture Design course.
With the knowledge that I've earned from Zaytuna College in the PDC course, and I want to take this knowledge and this information and this way of thinking back to my community. One of the most important places that we can start to implement these strategies and these principles is at all of our masajid.
I thought I came here to learn about just gardening and plants and earth, but it's turned into almost like a spiritual journey for me. I've created most amazing friendships, connection with people, plant, earth. It's been wonderful.